You don't wanna see my wife, so pay $4 or $5 for this Garden of Heaven. Tasty food and get everything on this table and a lot more. We actually took it home. Such a huge breakfast, so tasty, made in paradise. Free salad bar, free salsas bar, all you can eat buffet. El Gran Burrito Restaurant, self-service, open 24 hours, 365 days, free parking, restroom, dining room, and sky open tables. Yes, this is United States, Los Angeles, on Santa Monica Boulevard, off the corner of Vermont Boulevard, just behind the metro train station. Come over or my wife will get you.